Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to UDAAN Deepak YouTube channel and I am Deepak. Now I will be discussing the most important questions from the carbon-anide compound. So today I will be discussing the last 5-year questions which have appeared and in which your seniors have written the questions. See, what is the importance of studying the last 5-year questions? See, in the last 5-year questions you can find the pattern, the set of questions which are repeated and the board is expecting you to know the questions, okay, and it is one of the most important chapter and one of the most weighted chapter in chemistry. Okay, you already know that chemistry carries 25 marks. Okay, already the blueprint has been discussed. So keeping that in mind, I will be solving what now I will be discussing the 5-year questions. Okay, already the answer has been provided, but I'll let you know the answer and subsequently we will discuss. Venkatesh has messaged hello sir and the latest news. So Venkatesh starts. So already I have started. See, if my voice is clear or any kind of feedback or suggestion you want to give, you can put it in the comments so that I can read and I'll get back to your queries. So please give your number. You can find, see the number on the screen. See, and you can order the books. Okay, see here we have started an initiative of providing the scoring packages, the textual question answers and the passive packages for the students. So here the below the number has been provided. To order UDAAN books, call or WhatsApp 81234 26450. All subjects English and Kannada medium will be given. I'll just show one demo book of this. See, this is the science book. Okay, like this the books of all subject and two books will be provided in each set. One will be scoring package, the other one will be passing package, in which all set of questions, okay, and answers you can just find. This is the index and you can find the blueprint here and you can just see all set of questions, okay, will be provided. And in the last the board has given all the set of diagrams. See, all the set of diagrams are also been included. Each and every chapter according to present year syllabus has been provided. Okay, so all 6 subjects you can get. Okay, so sir, what and does this books include? It includes all the scoring packages, passing packages. Okay, and it includes the all the textual question and answers. Okay, textbooks each view questions from science, then backside exercise questions, then last year question papers, then you will be supplied with the passing package. Okay, like this I have made some initiative. Around 11 or 11 books you will get in the set. Okay, so like that, if you want any queries or any further details, you can just call or WhatsApp the given number. We will get you soon. Our team will connect to you soon. Okay, so most of you say yes, definitely you can call. Our team will connect back to you and they will guide you. Okay, so it will help you to uplift your marks. Not only that, it is only prepared according to the present year syllabus. Okay, and we will be getting some model question papers also with solution so that you can able and capable to solve. Like this we have planned, and whatever I will be discussing, that also most of them will be included accordingly. Okay, so let us begin with what carbonate compounds. So I will begin with the discussion of 4 alternatives are given. So you know objective type questions you should be able to solve here. Okay, so now you see the functional group present in the propanol and the propanol respectively are. So here what shall you do is, yes, so you just tell me what is the functional group present in all. See the question here, it begins with what? All. Okay, OL. Yes, it ends with this is a suffix, it is all, and this is null. Just see here whenever it is all. Okay, just a second. So whenever it is all, it belongs to which functional group? It belongs to alcohol group. It belongs to alcohol. So what is the functional group present in alcohol? It is OH dash OH. It is a bond and this is OH. Okay, that is the alcohol. See, prop means 3. Okay, prop means what? Prop means 3, and here you can see what? Just a second. So prop means 3. So you can find what here? This is propanol, okay, or alcohol group, and it is aldehyde. So what is the functional group for aldehyde? aldehyde. So it is aldehyde. So in aldehyde, what will come? Can somebody tell? It is C double bond O H. That means you can write it as CHO dash CHO. So this and this are your functional groups. Okay. So this and this are your functional. Alcohol is OH and aldehyde. Okay, you will get what? C double bond OH. So alcohol is having dash OH and the aldehyde is having C double bond OH. So the right answer is what? Alcohol. OL means alcohol. The suffix, and here the suffix is al, that is aldehyde. The functional group are OH and CHO. And this question has come in main examination 2019. The questions will be asked like this. Okay. Then coming to the next one, an example for saturated hydrocarbon. So can you tell me which are the saturated hydrocarbon? Can somebody see here, can somebody let me know the saturated hydrocarbons formula for saturated hydrocarbon in the comment section? Most of you are online here. Okay, can let me know which are the saturated hydrocarbons. So B has been commented. See, saturated hydrocarbons means what? Those hydrocarbons which are having single bond. Just remember, saturated hydrocarbons are those which are having single bonds between the carbon atom. That means only between two carbon atom, if you are having the single bond, we call it as what? Saturated hydrocarbon. Okay. So here Afan Yam has a message, and Prakash has message C2H4, very good. But C2H4 as message, it is alkene. Okay. So Chetan, raise your sound. So I hope my sound is audible, everyone. If not, kindly let me know. I will just update my sound. Okay. So coming back, yes, latest news has message, very good, Darshan. Those having the formula CnH21 plus 2, we call it as what? Those are the saturated hydrocarbons. See, those are having single bond between the carbon atoms, and those we call it as alkanes. The root word is what? N. Okay, those are saturated hydrocarbons, and the formula for this is CnH2n plus 2. Now see here the first one. Okay, C2H6. C2H double of 2 is what? 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. This is saturated. Come to this C3H4. So C3 3 plus how much it is? 3 to the 6, 8 should come, but it is wrong. C2H2, it is wrong. C2H4, it is also wrong. The only one which follows this formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. You can see in place of n you write 2. H, in place of n you write 2. You will get C2 H. 2 to the 4. 4 plus 2 is what? 6. So this will give you what? C2H6 will give you the formula. Okay, I hope you are getting it. See, if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. Kindly put just a thumb, raise your thumb, so that I get to know that you are connecting to me. Hafan has message, sir, send SST passing package please. See, if you want any kind of passing package or scoring package, kindly connect back to the below number 81234 812342645 is the number, and it will let you, they will guide you, the team will guide you related to the books when it will reach. Okay, everything and all. So screen is not clear. Okay, so you are finding, see, just raise your resolution to 1080p, so that you can see the books. See, Vidya Pawar has messaged, sir, what is amount? You can just WhatsApp to that number, they will let you know all the details of the price. Okay, so all that you will get to know. Prakash has put thumbs up. Thank you, Prakash. You are just following up. Any kind of screen problem, you just let me know. Sorry, I'll just begin with what? Solution of question number 3. See, the molecular formula of 3 carbon compounds. Okay, the molecular formula of 3 carbon compounds in which are in homologous series. They said that the molecular formula of 3 carbon compounds which are in homologous series are C2H6. See here, C2H6, C3H8 and C4H10. C3H8 and C4H10, the suitable general formula. Just see here what is happening. This is double plus 2. See, CnH2n plus 2. If you just put 2 here, 2. Then here you put 2. 2 to the 4. 4 plus 2, 6. CnH2n plus 2. So here 3, here if you put 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. If you just put 3, so you just see, this will give you what? C3H, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, it is matching. Similarly, the formula here is, so what are homologous series? Those series which are having the same formula, we call it as what? Homologous series. I hope you got what are homologous series. The series which has the same formula, that is CnH2n plus 2, we call it as what? Homologous series. Okay, I hope you got this. See, identify the correct electron dot structure of nitrogen molecule. The question here is what? Nitrogen molecule in the following. It has come in supplementary examination 2020. Okay, so Darshan has messaged what are homologous series? Those series which differ by CH2. Very good. So if they differ of the formula by CH2, we call them as homologous series. That is also accepted. Sir, where are you from? See, Afan is asking, I am from Hubballi. Okay, so Karnataka, North Karnataka, Hubballi. So you can just connect to me whenever you reach out. I will always be connect back to you. Okay, so which chapter this is? This is carbon compounds, and it is the fourth chapter from chemistry. Okay, Iqbal Bakkapur is asking. Chetan is answering. Very good, Chetan. Sir, please give 5 mark question from this chapter, please. See, 5 mark question from this chapter you can expect is the soap. Okay, so explain the mechanism of action of soap question you can expect. Okay, so that is what the pro gamer is asking. Okay, Mahantesh Patil sir has joined your WhatsApp group. Send passing package of English medium, or definitely I will send. Okay, if you need all kind of any supporting material, scoring packages and all, you can just connect to the below number 8123426450. That is a number. You can just message or call. You will get back the yes, you will get back to know. Iqbal Bankapur, Tamim sir. So your name is Tamim. Okay, hello Tamim. Moving back to this question, identify the correct electron dot structure. Can you tell me which is the correct electron dot structure in this? So which one is the right electron dot structure? See, nitrogen. What is the atomic number of nitrogen? Can somebody comment in the comment box below so that I can get to know? See, the yes, you can find here nitrogen atomic number is 7, and you will know what is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of nitrogen. See, electronic configuration of nitrogen is what? It is 2 comma yes, 2 comma, you can see it is 5. Okay, it is 2 comma 5 you will get. That means this is the outermost orbit. Okay, you know electronic configuration how to write 2 comma 8 comma 18. So like this you will write K shell, L shell, M shell and all. Okay, Vikas has mentioned 7, right Vikas? So coming to 2 comma 5. So nitrogen, see the last outermost shell, how many electrons it has, that many dots you should put. So here you should put what? 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is valency here? Can you tell me what is valency? See, valency is what? Combining capacity. So in order to become 8, what this it will do is it will accept 3. After accepting 3, it will become what? After accepting 3, it will become the stable. That means it will become 8. After configuration, it will undergo. So here 2 comma 5, the valency is what? 3 here. So why? Because it is accepted 3 electrons and it will become 8. So valency is 3. Whenever valency comes, this valency definition is what? Combining capacity. That means with another nitrogen, it will combine with what? 3 only. Here 3 and 3 should match. So which one is giving you right answer? You can see here. This one will give you right answer because nitrogen atomic number is 7 and valency is 3 and this is 2 comma 5. So nitrogen has 3 combining capacity. So you can see here it is giving 3 and it is sharing 3. So here what are covalent bond? The bond formed by sharing of electrons we call it as what? Covalent bond. And the bond between nitrogen and nitrogen we call it as the covalent bonds. Very good. Because as message valency 3, very good. What is the meaning of valency? You understood? Valency means combining capacity. That means giving and accepting capacity. We call it as what? Valency. Okay. I hope you are getting. So if you are connecting So if you're finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can get to know that you people are in line with me. Okay, not wasting much time, I'll go on to the next question. So you can see this, the next question has come in supplementary exam 2020. See the name and the molecular formula of unsaturated hydrocarbon having general formula CnH2n and containing 3 carbon atoms. Very simple. You can see here in place of N, we have already given the formula CnH2n and it is having 3 carbon atoms. That means what? N is equal to 3. In place of N you write 3, H into 3. So it is C3. 3 2s is how much? 6. So C3H6 you are having what this, and here C3H6 there are 2. But which one is right? This one is right. Why? Because propene. You should have double bond. How will you write the structure for this? You know propene means what? This is unsaturated hydrocarbon and it is alkene. So you should write C, you should write 3 carbon and in between any 2 carbon atom you should write what? Double bond, because alkanes carry single bond, alkenes carry second bond and alkynes carries triple bond between the carbon atoms. Okay, so you can just see here 1 2 3 4. So you should write what? 4 here, 1 2 3, then you should write 4, then 1 2 3 4. So you will have the structure like this. This is the structure of a propene. Why it is called propene? Because of the double bond between the carbon atoms. Okay, I hope you all are connected. So if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. Sir, your live is so helpful, so I was asking for live. Chetan Vadvi has messaged. Thank you, Chetan. So coming back to the next, see the structure of formula of propanol. Okay, see the word here, prop. Prop means what? It is 3. N is equal to 3 is prop. Aldehyde. R is what? Aldehyde. So here you can just see here that N is 3 aldehyde. So what is the formula for aldehyde? You know aldehyde is C double bond OH. So this is the formula for aldehyde. I hope you got. Okay, aldehydic group Vikas has message. Yes, very good. Then how to write propanol? Prop means what? 3 carbon atom. And for 1 carbon you should write what? C double bond OH. Remaining side you should write H 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. So this is the formula for what? Propanol. I hope you got it. CHO Vikas, very good. So coming back to the answer here. So which one will give the right answer? So you should want C double bond O. See, C double bond OH is given only in this form. It is having alcoholic group from. It is having C double bond OH. This is carboxylic group. This is carboxylic. Okay, carboxylic group, and this is alcoholic group, and this is aldehyde. Okay, this is aldehydic group, and the one which is given it is the ketone. It is propanone. Okay, this is ketone group. Like this, as soon as you see, you should be able to understand this. Okay, sir, important, sir, 5-mark important question. Next slide. Definitely, I will tell all the 5-mark important questions. Not only 5, all the marks important questions I will be selling. Ajit Pujari has message scoring package of max sent please. Definitely we will send. If you want any need, just kindly message below. That is 8123426450. Miss Mysterious sir, while you make live videos, your voice is not clear. There's so much echo, so please check. See, echo is because of the room, because the one in which I teach is a white classroom. So next time I'll take care. Okay. Prakash Badigera as Mrs. Sir, I have ordered on Saturday. When will it get? In within 2 working days you will get, because already it is delivered. You just message, you will get the tracking ID. Okay. So tomorrow is Christmas day. I hope it is a holiday. By Thursday you can expect your delivery. Okay. In 2 working days you can guess. Okay. So coming back to the next one, see the number of single bonds and double bonds present in the structure of benzene. So tell me how is the structure of benzene? You should by heart. Okay, very important is the structure of benzene here. So benzene structure is how much? See, benzene, you know what is the formula? Can somebody message in the group so that you can I get to know I will get that you are aware about the benzene molecule. Can somebody put the formula of benzene in the comment box session? Yes, mysterious as Miss Mysterious, very nice name. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you and welcome. Okay, so Vikas has Mrs. C686. Very good, Vikas. The formula for benzene is what? C686. So C686. So what is the greenness in this formula? Can you tell me? See here, it is having alternate single and double bond. One double bond, one single bond. Double bond, single bond, double bond. Now just count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for every carbon you will get what? One hydrogen. So how many single and double bond they are asking? See, single bonds and double bonds, how many you are having? Just see carefully. This is one double bond, this is second double bond, and this is third double bond. So you are having what? Three double bonds. So double bonds are three. Just see this single bonds. One. So I'll write the number so that you'll get to know. One. This is second single bond. This is third single bond. This is fourth single bond. This is fifth single bond. This is sixth. This is 7, this is 8, and this is 9. So I hope you watch how many single and double bond. See, there are total 9 what single bonds and 3 double bonds. I hope you got the clarity related to single and double bond. This question has appeared many a times. Okay, just finding the single and double bond questions have appeared multiple times. Okay, so many people are commenting, you know, yes, many, yes, any kind of question or any kind of problem you are having, just let me know. See, the major component of compressed natural gas. So this compressed natural gas, where will you find? See, the compressed natural gas you find where? In cylinders and all. Okay, in auto gas you can find this CNG gases. I know in auto rickshaw and all you can find the boardings there, which includes what? The many posters which is related to CNG. That means compressed natural gas. The main component in that is what? Methane. Can tell me why methane is used? What is the importance of methane here? See, methane is a very clean fuel. Okay, it is a very clean fuel. It does not give any kind of ash or any kind of smoke while burning. It burns completely without any pollution. So that is the importance of what? This methane. Okay, I hope you got what is the why methane is used in the CNG, that is compressed natural gas. The main component is what? Methane. Why methane is used? It is a clean fuel. It does not it burns completely. It does not cause any pollution or it does not give any ash after burning. That is the beauty of this clean fuel. And the formula for methane is what? CH4. The formula is very small, but it does much work in day-to-day life. Okay, I hope you got this. Maunesh has messaged hi. Hello Maunesh. Okay, then coming to the next one. The common molecular formula of both hexene and cyclohexane. You know cyclohexane, the formula is what? CnH2n, and hexene formula is what? CnH2n. So the formula for both is what? CnH2n itself. So if X means how much? X is 6, N is 6. So in place of X you put 6. So you will get what? 6. So C6, 2 6 are 12. Similarly here you put 6, 2 into 6. So C6H12. So both formula you will get to what? Same thing. I hope you got the clarity. So if you know that here how to draw the structure, see hexene you should draw 6 structure like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and anywhere you can put what? Double bond. Okay, that is the hexene. 1 2 3 4, then 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. This is the structure of what? Hexane. So you can just see here 1 2 3 4 5 6. See 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So you should get 12. Okay, here I didn't draw one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this formula just matches. Similarly for cyclo, how will you draw? See here 1 2 3. So you will get what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For all, you should draw what? 4 bonds. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because carbon is a tetravalent. So you should draw what? 4 bonds. So just to see both the cyclohexane and hexene, both are having same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 C and H you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So like this you should be able to draw, because 2 mark fixed question will get to draw the structure, and each and every formula what you find you should draw the structure. Okay, that is what you should be able to do. Now coming to the next question, the pair of carbon compounds having same molecular formula is. So can you tell me which are the having same molecular formula? Just now we have solved, that is hexene and cyclohexane. See the question, they have twisted the similar question only they have asked. Okay, before they have asked what the common, you can see question number 10 and you find the similarity in main exam 2021 and in supplementary exams 2021. Similar questions have been asked, but the problem here is what they have just changed the question number. Okay, that not question number, they have just changed what the question. Okay, like this they will do. Darshan has message, sir, why there is 2 hydrogen is missing when we write in cyclic form of the compounds? No, it's why 2 hydrogen, because carbon should satisfy 4 bond, and in benzene you will be having already double bond. So you should write what 4, at least you should have 4 bond. Any carbon you draw, remember you should draw what 4 bonds to each carbon. Sir, Anwar has mentioned, sir, all important MCQs for all lessons. Please, definitely, I am doing that, and as soon as I complete the series, I will just put the PDF in the subsequent groups. Okay, you can find the description in the link below. So, if you are just finding helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. And we have come up with the new initiative of supplying the scoring packages to and the passing packages to the home delivery through courier will be doing. If you need any kind of help, you can just message in the below. The given number has been provided to order UDAAN books, call or WhatsApp. They will guide you. Okay, our team will guide you related to that. Now coming to in the functional group present in the compound is, so the compound is given here. So you should tell me which. So already you know this here which one. So here C double bond OH, in the beginning only we have discussed, it is aldehyde. So it is an aldehydic group. A group of carbon compounds that are in homologous series. You know already homologous series which are having same molecular formula, or the yes, then you can use what formula is what they differ by CH2. If they differ by CH2. Abhay has messaged, really I am getting a lot of help from you. So thank you Abhay for such appreciation. Coming back to this, you know what are homologous series? Those series which are differ by this CH2, that means which are having same molecular formula, alkane or alkyne, those we call it as homologous series. Just see which matches here. CH2 differ or a same formula they should have. That means CnH2n, you can just see CnH2n plus or CnH2n. You just put here CnH2n double. If you just put C2, 2 2s are 4. Similarly, for this formula, in place of H, you put 3 H. Okay, so you can find 2 3s are 6. You put 4, so 4 2s are 8 H. So option C will give you the right answer in this case. I hope you got this. Why the option 4 is right one. Okay, or else they differ by CH2. See here, 3 minus 2 is what? 1 C. 6 minus 4 is 2 CH2. And 4 minus 3 is 1 CH. Okay, 1 C. 8 minus 6 is 2. Since they differ by the CH2, we call them as what? Molecular, yes, molecular mass. Okay, molecular formula, they should differ by CH2. Okay, so like this I should able to you should able to solve. next coming back to next question which has come in supplementary exam 2021. The saturated hydrocarbon among the following is, you know, saturated means what? Those are called as alkanes, and those differ by the formula CnH2n plus 2. So here you just substitute first 5. So C5 you substitute H2 into 5 plus 2. So C5, it is 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2. So C5H12. You will get what? C5H12. So option D is the right one. This is C6H6 is benzene. C2H2. No, you can find the compounds, okay, this is which are again not related to the concept. Okay, so coming back to the next one, the next is number of single bonds present in the molecular structure of propanol. First you should know how to draw the structure propanol, then only you can able to find what? The number of bonds present, or else you cannot get to know how many single and double bonds you will be having. See a propanol, how will you write propanol? It is aldehyde. Prop means 3, okay, N is equal to 3. I'll just draw here. Okay, so you can just see N is 3 in propanol. You know, prop means N is equal to 3. So you write 1, 2, 3, and in one C double bond OH you should write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also you should write 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 like this you should be able to write. Now just count the number of single bond. There is one double bond, that is with the oxygen. The single bond. This is 1. This is second one, this is third one, this is fourth, this is fifth, this is sixth, this is seventh, and this is eighth. So you will be having how many? There are 8 double bond between the carbon, 8 single bond between the carbon atoms. That is what the number of single bonds found in the molecular structure of propanol is. Single bond is 8 between carbon and between hydrogen. Okay, so I hope you all are getting it. See, if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. Okay, I am getting most of you are commenting. It is good that most of you are online. Any kind of suggestion or feedback, you just put it in the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, okay, so that I can come up with more such initiatives. Then coming to one more question. This question has come in supplementary 2019. One of the most frequently asked question, that is what is covalent bond. Already I discussed, the covalent bonds are those which are bond by sharing of electron. This word should come, important it is, this word definitely should come only. See here, chemical bond which is formed by sharing of electrons between two carbon atoms, we call it two atoms, we call it as what? Covalent bond. So here remember, in covalent bond there should be what? The two, yes, non-metals only, okay, that is the one you should remember. Okay, now coming back to what? Name the first member of alkynes and write its molecular formula. This has come in supplementary 2019. So the first member of alkyne is alkyne. See, you write methane. Is it possible to write methane? Okay, so methane you cannot write. Why? Because the formula is CnH2n plus 2. Meth means what? 1. Okay, meth means 1. C1 1 plus 2. So C, it is methane. Okay, the formula is minus 2. Okay, CnH2n minus 2 is the formula for methane. So 2 into 1 minus 2, that is C1H0. It is not possible. Okay, so for that purpose, the second member, the first member of alkyne is what? CnH2n minus 2. So you can write what? C2. C2 here H, 2 into 2 minus 2, C2H, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is the first member. It is also called as what? Acetylene. But if you write ethyne, that is also the right one. Okay, now coming back to the next one, that is, can detergent be used to test hardness of water? Due reason. See here, the question is to test the hardness of water, can we use detergent? No, because detergents, you know that detergent will give leather or foam with the hard water. So they can be used both in soft water and at the hard water, so that the detergents are used in them. Just see here, can detergent be used to test hardness? Due reason, this has come in supplementary exam 2020. No, you cannot use detergent. Okay, you should use what? Soft water to in detergent, soaps you should get, because soaps they does not directly react with what? The hard water. See, detergents you use what? Foam or leather with both hard and soft water, and and do not form any scum. Okay, you can find this hard substance which will be floating on water, that is the scum, which will not form. It will be the insoluble substance which you can find. Okay. So most of you are just finding it. If you are finding it, what is hard water? See, the hard water which consists of both magnesium ions. Okay, the ions of ammonium sulfur oxides, ammonium sulfate and the magnesium sulfate. We call it as what? Hard water. So the hard water is having more of the some substance, chemical substances, so that the soap does not readily react with that, but the detergents will react with that. That is the what the difference between soft and hard water. Okay, so sir, please also make a video of carbonyls compound lesson, previous year questions. That is what I am doing, previous year questions only I will be discussing in this session. Okay, write the structural formula of the ethane, and this has come in main examination 2022. Ethane, already you should know the formula here. Actually it is ethene. Okay, here it is mentioned as ethane. It is ethene. Eth means N is equal to 2. Ene means what? Double bond. It is alkene. Okay, what is the formula? CnH2n. Now here C2H2 you put in C2, between two carbon atoms you should put what? A double bond. So write H everywhere, you will get C2H2. So you got C2H2? No, it is ethane. So just see here, CnH2, H2n it is, sorry, CnH2n, CnH2 into N is 2, C2H2 into 2, C2H4 it is, sorry. Now you just see between two carbon atoms, this should be double bond. Here H, here H, here H, here H. Now you see one double bond, it satisfies alkene, and you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 hydrogen. That is the right one. I hope you got this. Okay, sir, make a first language English based on 10th class. Definitely tomorrow I will upload a video on the blueprint chapter wise marks allotment on English. Tomorrow morning I will be uploading it. Okay, so anyhow tomorrow is a holiday, I will just put it. Then the general formula of cycloalkane is CnH2n, and its first member is cyclopropane. This such, that is C3H6. Write the molecular formula and structural arrangement of fourth member of this homologous series. So you see here, the first member of cyclo, I can see in order to form a cycle, we need at least 3, because if you just write 3, then only you can find a cycle. With 2 or 1 you cannot do. So the first member of the cycloalkane is what? C3H6. This one is right. Then they said, if see, first member is C3, second member is C4. They are asking, see, C3H6 is first member. Then double of this you should know. Then HH, then H, double of 5 is 10, double of 6 is 12. So this is the first member, this is the second member, this is the third member, and this will be the fourth member. They are asking fourth members. Fourth member is what? C6, H12. So what can you write? C6, but it should be in cycle form. You should write it in cycle form. Now for each carbon you are having what? 4 bonds. That is here H, here H, here H and here H, here H and here H, here H and here H, here H. So total for each carbon you should have 4 bonds. Then only we will be able to solve this. So total you will have C6. See there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. For each carbon 2 hydrogen. So like this we will draw the structure. So like this you should write the fourth member, and this is the structural formula. I hope you are getting it. Okay, Ajit Pujari, make video on social science also, sir, please. Definitely the next class I will be, the next session I will be planning with social science. I will be solving most of the MCQs questions chapter wise, okay, which will are most expected for present year syllabus. And you know that the syllabus for social science has been updated over the years. Not only this year, last year also the book has been updated. Before that, last year the syllabus has been updated. So if you rely on previous year question papers, it is very difficult for you. Okay, for that purpose we have come up with the present year latest syllabus, model question papers also I will be solving before this month. Okay, so Matesh has message, why do we make this, something he has asked. So Abhay sir sent this video. So definitely this video will be uploaded as soon as I finish the session. Okay. So Kannada second language blueprint, English, Kannada and Hindi subsequently I will be doing. You know the syllabus has been changed this year. Keeping that in mind, I will be solving what? Giving you the blueprint. Okay, sir, who need application question reply in live chat? Vikas is asking. Definitely I will come with the application questions on this chapter. Okay, so I request you should go through the previous year question papers, passing packages, and the textual question answers. The one book which I am just highlighting here, that is UDAAN books. You can just get it. You can just try it. Definitely will enjoy reading and you will get maximum marks. Okay, that is what I suggest. Coming back to the next question, that is question number 6. See, what is hydrogenation? Hydrogen, adding of hydrogen is called hydrogenation. That is what the simple thing. See, hydrogen is added to which compounds? Unsaturated hydrocarbons. See the question here. Hydrogenation means what? Addition of hydrogen. That is what we call oxidation. Means what? Addition of oxidation. Similarly, what is the meaning of a hydrogenation? Addition of hydrogen to what? To the unsaturated hydrocarbon in presence of a catalyst such as palladium or nickel to give saturated compound. Okay, so there is an unsaturated compound. Okay, you can write here RR, and in presence of you are adding what? Hydrogen. So in presence of nickel or palladium, okay, nickel or palladium as the catalyst, you to get what? Single bond. Okay, like that you should be able to. You can write R or you can write H here. So like this you should be able to write the formula here. So why we need this? Why we need this? See here, in order to convert the vegetable oil into vanaspati or ghee. So that is what the unsaturated. Here you can see here the vegetable oil. Okay, the vegetable oil is what? Unsaturated. Okay, it is the unsaturated. So this we are converting into saturated. Okay, this we are converting into saturated, that is ghee or vanaspati dalda. Okay, vanaspati or dalda. See, this conversion of unsaturated oils, that means unsaturated acids into saturated fats, by adding hydrogen in presence of palladium or nickel catalyst, we call it as hydrogenation. I hope you got what is hydrogenation. See, hydrogenation is what? Hydrogenation means conversion. This second will give you direct answer. Conversion of double bond, that is the unsaturated hydrocarbons into saturated hydrocarbons by adding hydrogen in presence of nickel and palladium as catalyst. We call it as what? Hydrogenation of oils. Then why do detergents more suitable for cleaning clothes in hard water? You know, detergent does not form any insoluble precipitate or any kind of foam or scum you don't find with the hard water. Okay, with calcium and magnesium ions present in the hard water. So you know what are the ions present in the hard water? The calcium and magnesium ions present in the hard water, the detergents will not react. But the soaps will react and they will give what? Scum. That is the difference. Okay. So next comes what? What are the structural isomers? These are 2 mark question, and in main examination 2019 this question has come. Okay, so I will be just begin with this 2 mark question I will be solving today. Subsequently 3 mark question I will be doing in the upcoming sessions. Okay, so if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe so that I can come up with more such initiatives. Okay, not only that, you can get access to the UDAAN books which will help you to uplift your learning and your marks. Okay, coming back to the next, what is structural isomers? See, structural isomers means what? Isomerism means which are having same molecular formula but different structural formula. See, compounds with identical molecular, or identical means same molecular formula but different structural formula are called as what? Structural isomers. Example is butane. So I will draw here example. Okay, you will be asked this for 2 or 3 marks. So before that, they are asked name the first member of alkanes that shows structural isomer. It is butane, and you should by heart this. Okay, Arun, yes, as asked sir, PDF definitely at the end of session I will be uploading the PDF in the description, in the subsequent groups. You can get access to it from the description box below. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Now coming to what? The compounds with identical molecular mass but different structures are called structural isomer. I'll write the structural isomers of butane. Okay, butane is having what? C4H10. Now how will you write? See here, this is 1. But means what? 4. But means 4, and hydrogen for each carbon 4. So this is H, this is H, this is H. Again this is H, this is H, this is H, this is H, this is H. Okay, this is 1. Having same molecule, this is one structure, or one more structure, 3 in one line, or 1 you can write here. So for each carbon write what? 4 hydrogens. For each carbon write 4 hydrogens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like this you should be able to draw. Very important question. It is very much important. What are structural isomers? Give example. Okay. So next, coming to the next one. So, Ajit Pujari has asked all passing and scoring package please sir. So if you need the all scoring and passing package, kindly connect to the WhatsApp and to the, you can call to the given number 81234264450. Okay, so now coming to the next one, explain substitution reaction in hydrocarbons with an example. It has come in supplementary exam 2019. Or explain the mechanism of cleaning action of soaps. Okay, both are very important questions. Okay, now coming to the next one, what is substitution reaction? In substitution, we are using what? Chlorine has a substance. Chlorine will substitute. See, this is methane. Chlorine will go and sit with the methane, and HCl will come out. That we call it a substitution reaction. See, saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, methane is an example. Are fairly unreactive, but they undergo what? Substitution reaction in the presence of sunlight. When sunlight falls on that them, in presence of chlorine and sunlight, they will go and they will sit with saturated hydrocarbon, that we call it as what? Substitution reaction. And chlorine, what it will do is, chlorine, it will replace one hydrogen. Okay, atom one by one. And the second one is explain the mechanism of cleaning action of soap. You should what? Draw this structure. Okay, there is a charged end and there is what? A tail. Okay, see, the ionic end of soap interacts with, there is an ionic end, it interacts with water, while the carbon chain, this is the carbon chain which reacts with what? Oil. The soap molecule thus forms missile. You know missile means what? You find the reaction between the dirt and the soap molecule. You can find some kind of foamy like structure, that is nothing but missiles, where one end of the molecule is towards the oil droplet while the ionic end faces outside. So thus an emulsion forms in water. The soap missiles help in pulling out. What does the missile do? If you put more water, it will just take out all the dirt in water and thus cleans the clothes. Okay, that is how it is designed. Okay, next, coming to the next one, the general formula of two specific groups of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon is CnH2n. Write the structures of members of each group. See, one you should write saturated and one you should write unsaturated. So two specific groups of saturated hydrocarbon is Cl, H2n. See here, saturated hydrocarbon is cycloalkane. That is saturated. You should know cycloalkane is saturated because it is having the single bond atoms. Then CnH2n is what? It is unsaturated. Okay, unsaturated, which is having double bond. Okay, it is alkene. Now you see how will you write this? Here it is having three members. So how will you write C3H6? Here also C3H6. The first member, how will you write here? You can see 3 carbon you should write, and for every carbon you should write 2 bonds. Okay, for every carbon you should write 2 bonds. You can write 2 bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 hydrogen. Similarly, here unsaturated means you should write double bond. Okay, 3 carbon, here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For every carbon, you should have 4 hydrogens. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hydrogen and 3 carbon. Like this, you should be able and capable to draw. Okay. Arun has messaged, sir, say about how a goldsmith separate a carbon compound from gold. So like this, you should be by the process called as what? Electroplating will be having, and goldsmith will not separate any carbon compound from gold because carbon is present everywhere. Okay, even any dark substance you see, even the skin, when it burns it will become black, it is carbon. If you burn paper, wood, any fuel you burn, you will get what? Carbon dioxide gas, which is a carbon compound. Nobody will separate carbon because carbon is an internal structure present in everything, in every metal and in every substance around us. You can find what? Carbon. Okay, so Prakash has messaged, sir, how many marks expected from your passing marks and scoring? Definitely you can expect more than 95%. That is what, based on that current year syllabus and present year examination pattern only the books have been prepared, so that it will uplift your learning. So simply if you just learn from many sources, it will be very difficult for you because most of the concept have been deleted. If you just study CBSE level questions, okay, then you will get very high level questions. In CBSE examination pattern is very much different. They are having case studies questions, they are having more 5-mark questions, and the state syllabus for Karnataka is very much different. The expectation of CBSE is completely different, whereas the expectation of our Karnataka state board is completely different. So keeping that in mind only, the passing and scoring method has been designed. So it is left to you to decide based on your learning and the grabbing capacity. I just claim that most of the students have done exceedingly well while going through those books. Okay, and who found some difficulty in social, mainly history and political science? Vikas is asking. So yes, it is very difficult. So Chetan is worried about my time, 9:20, sir. So I'll just finish it off early. So I'll just just go with the next question, that is supplementary exam 2023. In the whole of the series, the first member of hydrocarbon group has molecular formula CH4. So you know it is methane. Okay. So find out the formula is what? CnH2n plus 2. Then find out the molecular formula fourth member. So C4H2 into 4 plus 2. It is C4H. 4 plus 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So you will get what? C4H10. And write two types of structural isomers for it. That means already I have done it. See here. CnH2n plus 2. So C4H10 you will get, and butane, one structural formula is N-butane. You are writing all in single line, and for each carbon you should write what? 4 bonds. Then here 3 carbon you will write in series, and you will get what? 1 below. So you will get C4H10 in this case. So the compounds which are having same molecular formula but different structural formula, we call it as what? We call it as the isomers or isomerism. Okay, isomers. Then coming back to, so this is the last part of my discussion. Already it is time up. So 3 mark questions and 4 mark and 5 mark questions I will be dealing subsequently in the next session. Okay, thank you so much. I am very happy that most students are connecting and most students are giving the positive feedback and all. So if you are finding it helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe. And if you just need any kind of help or any kind of suggestion or feedback, you can just call or message to the WhatsApp to the number that is 8123426450, and this number will connect to you and you can just order the book so that it will uplift your learning. That is what I guarantee you from my side. And this is the learning process will continue. Tomorrow I will upload, subsequently I will upload the blueprint on languages. So that is the first language English. Similarly, all the questions or previous 5 year questions from all the subjects will be dealt as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you. And Chetan, Dream Junction, hi, hello, Prakash Vadivier, good night sir, good night Prakash, and to all the students who are watching, thank you so much and have a good night. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much everyone. Take care.